What if I told you that in just 1 week, you could grow something super fresh, healthy, and full of flavor without a garden? That's right. We're talking about microgreens, tiny plants, big benefits. And the best part, you can grow them on your kitchen counter with just a few simple things. Let's break it all down. What are microgreens? Microgreens are baby plants like sunflower, radish, or broccoli that you harvest just after they sprout. They're packed with nutrients, super easy to grow, and taste amazing. In fact, they can have up to 40 times more nutrients than full-grown veggies. Sprinkle them on eggs, sandwiches, soups, or even in smoothies. They're tiny but powerful. Why grow them at home? Here's why people love growing microgreens at home. You don't need a garden, just a sunny window or a light. They're ready in 7 to 10 days. Super cheap and fresh compared to store-bought ones. They make meals look and taste better. Starting out, you'll need seeds. Try sunflower, broccoli, radish, or pea. Shallow tray or container, soil or cocoa coir, spray bottle, a lid or plate to cover the tray for the first few days. Optional, a small grow light if you don't have a sunny window. That's it, nothing fancy. Here's how to grow your own microgreens from scratch. 1. Fill the tray with 1-2 inches of moist soil or cocoa coir. 2. Sprinkle seeds evenly across the top. No need to space them out. 3. Lightly press the seeds down with your hand or something flat. 4. Mist with water using a spray bottle. 5. Cover the tray with a lid or plate to block out the light. Let it stay dark for 2 to 3 days. This helps the seeds sprout faster. 6. Once the seeds sprout, remove the cover and move the tray to a sunny spot or under a grow light. 7. Mist once or twice a day to keep the surface moist. That's it. In just 7 to 10 days, you'll have a full tray of microgreens ready to eat. When your greens are about 2 to 3 inches tall, grab clean scissors and cut just above the soil. That's your harvest, fresh, crisp, and full of flavor. Store them dry in a container with a paper towel inside. They'll last up to a week in the fridge. Microgreens don't need much room. You can grow them in a corner, on a shelf, or even stack trays for more variety. You can grow them all year round, indoors or outdoors. Growing microgreens is easy, fast, and honestly a little addicting. Start with just 1 tray this week. You'll be hooked once you taste your own homegrown greens. Like this video, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe for more simple gardening tips you can actually use. See you in the next one.